Hey everyone, welcome to Bistégs TV. Today, we're cooking up Beef Mechado, a rich, hearty Filipino classic you don't want to miss. Stick around for easy steps to make this mouth-watering dish right at home. Let's go. Alright, let's start by marinating our beef. Place the pieces in a bowl, add a splash of soy sauce, and mix it all up. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to soak up that savory flavor. Now that our beef is marinated, it's time to start cooking. Heat up some cooking oil in a frying pan until it's nice and hot. Carefully place each piece of beef into the pan, letting that sizzle bring out the flavors. We'll let it cook on this side for a few minutes until it turns a beautiful golden brown. This step not only locks in the flavor, but also gives the beef a delicious, crispy outer layer that'll add texture to our stew. The smell is already amazing. Now, let's flip each piece over to cook the other side. Give it a few more minutes until this side is golden as well. This will ensure our beef is perfectly seared and full of flavor on all sides. Once both sides are beautifully golden, remove the beef from the pan and place it on a plate. Set it aside for now. We'll come back to it soon. Using the same pan, add a little more cooking oil if needed. Now toss in some garlic and give it a good stir. Let the garlic release its aroma. It's going to set up a delicious base for the stew. Next, add in sliced onions. Keep stirring as they cook and start to soften. The onions will add a subtle sweetness that balances out the savory flavors. Time for some tomatoes. Add your sliced tomatoes to the pan and keep stirring. These are going to bring in that rich, slightly tangy flavor that makes Beef Mechado so special. Now that our aromatics are cooked down beautifully, it's time to add our golden seared beef back into the pan. Gently stir everything together, letting the beef soak up all those flavors from the garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Now to give our mechado that savory depth, let's add a pinch of ground pepper for a little kick, a dash of fish sauce for that umami flavor, and a spoonful of tomato paste to make the sauce rich and hearty. Mix everything thoroughly so each piece of beef is fully coated. This combination of seasonings will build layers of flavor that make Beef Mechado truly special. You can already smell how incredible it's going to be. And here's a quick tip. As you stir, make sure to scrape up any browned bits stuck to the pan. These bits are packed with flavor from the beef and seasonings, and they'll add even more richness to our sauce. This step really makes a difference, turning our mechado sauce into something deep, savory, and absolutely mouth-watering. Now let's take our delicious mixture to the next level by adding 5 cups of water. This will create a rich broth that's perfect for our stew. Stir everything together, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined. Once that's done, cover the pan with a lid and reduce the heat to medium. Let it simmer for about 50 to 60 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the beef to become tender and lets all those incredible flavors meld together. After that delicious hour of simmering, it's time to add some vibrant vegetables to our mechado. Start by adding the sliced potatoes, which will absorb all that wonderful flavor and add heartiness to the dish. Next, toss in the sliced carrots for a touch of sweetness and color, followed by the bell peppers, which will add a nice crunch and freshness. Don't forget to add 1 beef cube as well. It enhances the flavor even more. Now, give everything a good stir to combine all those beautiful ingredients. During this time, the vegetables will become tender, and the beef will continue to soak up the rich, savory sauce. Keep an eye on it, and if it looks like it needs more liquid, feel free to add a splash of water. We want everything to be perfectly cooked and full of flavor. Cover the pan again and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Now we're almost done with our Beef Mechado, and it's already smelling incredible. Take a moment to taste the sauce. If you feel it needs a little more seasoning, don't hesitate to adjust it to your liking. Before we finish, let's add a touch of sweetness to balance all those savory flavors. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and stir well to incorporate it into the sauce. This is optional and will enhance the dish's depth and create a perfect harmony of flavors. This final taste test is crucial to ensure your mechado is just right. Once you're satisfied with the flavor, let it simmer for a couple more minutes to allow the sugar to dissolve completely. And that's it. Our delicious beef mechado is ready to be served. It's rich, savory, and bursting with flavor. Thanks for watching Bistégs TV. We hope you enjoyed making this amazing beef mechado as much as we did. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And if you want more delicious recipes like this one, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Thank you. Cheers.